So when you expand stresses, just tick the first one. So domain set, choose proper set, and stress components. Okay? And click OK. But right now we need only one panel at a time, so we can. So in the model tree, in here you have field output requests. So if we click on panel 2.3, we can suppress it. So only one panel is highlighted, is enabled, right? So we can go back to job. We can create, we can keep this one, so submit. So you can create job for each panel separately again. So let's click results. Now if you put contours, you can see only one panel, right? That's what we requested. So what we need to do is go to, in the main menu, report, field output, in here you scroll down, we are interested in S12, shear stress, right? So S12, that's variable, and in setup, we are interested only in column totals, right? So column totals and S12, right? And you can click OK. And in your working directory, there should be file yeah, it was because PR and RP are switched. Really confusing. Okay, let's close the video. Okay. So when you open the RPT file, what do we have in here? Total, location 2, and total for location 3. First, what you need to find out, look on this line, for example, and you can see that location 2 is S negative, which means it's the bottom of the shell, right? So S positive, location 3 is top of the shell. So you get both results in this file. And this is basically sum of shear stresses of all elements in the panel, right? So if you divide this number by number of elements in the panel, you will get average shear stress in the panel, right? So for this, you can go back to mesh. So if you go back to mesh and go to tools, query, and you can query mesh. And now in here, in the menu, you will choose select geometric regions. So select geometric regions, and now you can click on each panel and done. So we have 600 elements in this panel 1, 2. Okay. In here we have, for example, again 600. So we take this number and divide it by 600. You will get your average shear stress in the panel. At that, you will multiply by the thickness of the panel and you will get shear flow. Okay? Each panel has different thickness, right? So when you calculate average shear stress, you will multiply it by the thickness of the panel. And that's a shear flow in the panel. Shear flow. That's what you are calculating in your crossbar. Okay? And basically that's it. You will just repeat it for each panel. So you will have to create set for each panel, request output for each set, submit job for each set, write it into output, find out number of elements, right? And calculate the shear flow for each panel. And then you will compare it with end calculations. Yeah, so each panel has different thickness, right? So when you get average shear stress, you will multiply it by proper thickness. Okay? And that's it.
With the teeth of a lady.